How to see your Spotify Wrapped on any Android phone or iOS is easy. Just first open your Spotify, and here just don't close your Spotify, just go back. Now make sure power saving mode is disabled, and just make sure it's disabled, and make sure your Spotify is open in your background, and then just wait for it a few minutes, and after that 10 minutes or something like that, then restart your phone, and make sure your Spotify is updated, and that's it. Then your problem must be fixed, and don't forget to like, and please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.